How to fix App Store ask for old Apple ID password on your iOS 17. If you want to fix your App Store asking for your old Apple ID password, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings and then go with your Apple ID, which will be on the top. Now click on the option of Media and Purchases. And here you will have an option of sign out. You need to just simply go and sign out of your Apple services like your Apple Store, Apple Music, and everything will be signed off. Once you sign out of your Apple ID, you can go with a new password. Now what you can do is head back to the main page of your settings. And from your main page, you need to scroll down a bit and then go with the apps section. Under apps, you need to go with search, and here you need to search for FaceTime. Just simply tap on your FaceTime and make sure that your FaceTime is turned on. You need to do this for your iMessage as well. Go with your messages. Make sure that your iMessage is also turned on. After that, you need to go back and then go with an option of content and privacy restrictions, which will be under your screen time. Go with your screen time, scroll down a bit, and then you'll find the content and privacy restrictions. Tap on it and go with iTunes and App Store purchases. Now here you will see the section of require password under always require and don't require. You just need to simply go and select don't require. And now your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.